Baby buddies!
On the farm, on a sunny day, animals and babies come and play. A mama cow says, "Moo, my calf is near. Little one, come close, there's nothing to fear." Farm animals and babies, big and small, let's learn their names, one and all. In the barn and the field, under the sky so blue, animal families, a happy crew. In the barn with the hay so high, a mama pig with piglets, hear them sigh. With oinks and grunts, they root around. Little piglets in the mud they're found. Farm animals and babies, big and small, let's learn their names, one and all. In the barn and the field, under the sky so blue, animal families, a happy crew. In the coop where the rooster crows, a mama hen with chicks in rows. With clucks and flaps they peck the ground, little chicks in a fluffy mound. Farm animals and babies, big and small, let's learn their names, one and all. In the barn and the field, under the sky so blue, animal families, a happy crew. On the pasture where the grasses sway, a mama sheep with lambs at play. With leaps and bounds they follow near, little lambs in the meadow they cheer. Farm animals and babies, big and small, let's learn their names, one and all. In the barn and the field, under the sky so blue, animal families, a happy crew. By the pond where the ducks swim, a mama duck with ducklings, tails they brim. With quacks and battles they make their way, little ducklings in a row they play. Farm animals and babies, big and small, let's learn their names, one and all. In the barn and the field, under the sky so blue, animal families, a happy crew. In the pasture where the horses graze, a mama horse with a foal in a daze. With neighs and gallops they run and trot, little foal in the fields, a playful lot. On the grasslands where buffaloes roam, a mama buffalo with a calf, a home. With snorts and stumps they graze the land, little calf by mama in the sand. So on the farm, both near and far, animals and babies like a shining star, learn their names with joy and cheer, for in the barnyard love is near.